Dear students, my name is Prem Kumar K, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Aid College, Chikbalapur. I am going to teach for BA students. Subject is optional English for the semester 5th. I choiced the section C, Essays by A.K. Ramanujan. The topic is there an Indian way of thinking? In this session, let us discuss about A.K. Ramanujan's father's inconsistency. In the last class, we had discussed about the 4 questions of is there an Indian way of thinking, and in this session, let us deal with his father's inconsistency. The problem was posed at the age of 20 in the image of father. Mark Twain's quote, "At 17, I thought my father was ignorant. At 20, I wondered how he learned so much in 3 years." Means here, the difference is understanding. Means the author got maturity, not the father has changed. So this is what we understand by this quote. And A.K. Ramanujan's father's clothes represent inconsistency, as he wore neat white turbans, a Sri Vaishnava caste mark, yet wore totalities, English jackets over muslin dhotis. Means his father is his father wears mixed dress code. And his father was a mathematician as well as a Sanskrit scholar. That too shows his inconsistency. Next, let us see the description of Indian character by Ramanujan. The Illustrated Weekly of India asked a number of modern intellectuals to describe the Indian character. They all seem to agree on one thing, the Indian trait of hypocrisy. They say Indians do not mean what they say and say different things at different times. By this, we can understand that Indians, they did not mean what they say, and they did not mean only servants. In Max Muller's lectures on India, the second chapter was called Truthful Character of the Hindus, in answer to many complaints. The difference between karma and Talaividhi. Ramanujan attended conference on karma, a notion that is synonym to Hindu or Indian. Brahmanical texts had it, Buddhists had it, and Jains too had it. In 2000 Kannada tales, he could not find a single tale that used karma as motive. The verse is Cheryl Daniel independently found that her Tamil village alternatively used karma and Talaividhi as the explanations for the events around them. The two notions are inconsistent with each other. Karma implies the self's past determining the present, and Talaividhi is one's fate inscribed arbitrarily on one's forehead. Let us see what are the characteristics of inconsistency. Here, inconsistency means it is not a matter of inadequate education, not because lack of logic or rigor. They may be using different logic altogether. Some thinkers believe that such logic is an earlier stage of cultural evolution. Indians have not developed a notion of data of objective facts. They are subjective, of course. And in India, magic dominates logic. Generally, among Indians, there seems to be a different relationship to outside reality compared to one met with in the West. It is closer to a certain stage in childhood when outer objects did not have a separate independent existence but were intimately related to its affective states. So the Indian ego is underdeveloped. The world of magic and animistic thinking lie close to the surface. So the grasp of reality is relatively weak. So here the Indians always think, believe believes in magic, and they don't believe in logic. So that's why uh, saints are popular than our scientists. So this is what we see in India. Thank you.